If you look at this phone that is in my hand very well, it is an inbuilt battery. It's an inbuilt battery, and the inbuilt battery have two types. There's a fixing one and there's a soldering one. So this one that I'm holding now is soldering types of battery. Is soldering one. So I'm trying to remove it from the engine of the phone, from the panel of the phone. So, and it's hard a little bit because there's gum there. It has gum they used to hold it together to the panel so that it will not be shaking or it will not remove anytime your phone fall down or there's any shaking. All right, now this battery have positive wire and negative wire and neutral wire. So I'm trying to fill the gas. This one you see in my hand is gas soldering iron. This gas soldering iron, I'm trying to fix it, okay, so that you will, I will remove it. I'm waiting for the gas soldering iron to hot. I've lighted it, okay. I'm waiting for it so that it will hot. And this battery have positive wire, which is the red, have neutral, used to be like yellow in color, and you have negative wire, which is the black in color. So just wait. I'm trying to wait for the gas to hot, and so that I will remove it. Just wait a little bit. I'm going to remove it. I'll remove the wire. I'll remove it. I'll remove the battery from the panel. I'll remove the battery from the panel. Okay, now you see it now. I'll remove it now. So I think the gas is hot. Okay, gas soldering iron is hot. So I'm going to off that fire so that it will not burn my hand. So now I try to remove it. Okay, I'll remove it now. This is how you remove the soldering inbuilt battery. Okay, that's it. That's all. All right, see you in our next video.